Hey guys, it's Ms. DeBoer. After reading your attendance questions today, many of you were asking for some additional help with clarifying assignments. So we are going to clarify our assignment for Wednesday. If your periods 2 or 4, this is your assignment on Wednesday. If your periods 1 or 3, this is your assignment for Thursday. For vet science, period 6, this is your assignment for Wednesday. Period 7, this is your assignment for Thursday. So we're going to start by going to modules where you can find your assignments. Remember, it's going to be in the agenda or just below it. I'm going to go to the location just below it because this is where I need to turn it in, so it makes sense to open it here because I'll be ready to submit it here. All right, it gives you some short instructions. Open the email etiquette lesson. It's going to open in another tab and look like this. Please read through the whole thing. It's this one page and one page only. If I can emphasize some really important parts, it's going to be to use a subject line and not just a general help, like be specific. If you say help with an email etiquette assignment, then I know specifically what you need help with. And then finally, be aware of how you sound because I do get a lot of emails each day, and when you write things you might not realize, but you sometimes come across as rude. And I know that you would not enjoy receiving a rude email, just like I don't. So an example would be, hey, Ms. DeBoer, I just finished my late work. Why isn't it graded yet? Okay, it's rude because it implies that I should be right there on your beck and call, answering or putting in the grade for something you didn't turn in when I asked you to, okay? So phrasing it more along the lines of, hey, Ms. DeBoer, I just finished my late work. I know that you're busy. Can you please grade this when you get a free moment? Okay, a little bit more considerate, and I would be more likely to respond, yeah, no problem, you got it, okay? So be considerate as you write your email. When you're done going through the lesson, come back and make your copy of the email etiquette assignment. It's going to force you to make a copy, and it'll look somewhat like this. Okay, you'll have no highlighting, so you got to do that yourself. The first thing, though, make sure that you update the name of your document. So I put in my name. Once you've done that, pick your 2 topics. Okay, highlight them in yellow. To highlight, you're going to take your cursor and drag it over your text and use the highlight button up here, okay? Once you've highlighted your 2 topics, you're gonna actually form your emails in this document. Do not send a real email to your teacher, okay? You're gonna just write them here. So put a real teacher's name, put an appropriate subject for your email. My example, so you can't copy it because it's not a topic here, is absent for 2 weeks starting 8/17. As a teacher, I can see this, I can know the importance of it, and I know exactly what this person is going to be asking for based on the subject line, okay? In the email body, make sure that you greet your teacher or whoever you're writing to. Make sure you introduce yourself and what class you're in. And then add the rest of your body of your email, okay? Remember to use those tips on the email etiquette tip sheet. When you're done, conclude your email. Sincerely, thank you. I appreciate your help. Have a great day. Enjoy your weekend. Anything like that is great. And then make sure you put your name. All right, when you're all done with this document, it's been renamed, you've added your 2 emails, you're going to come back to the email etiquette lesson here. You're going to turn it in by clicking submit. It's a nice big button up here, submit assignment. This was a Google document, so you're going to click on Google Drive here. It's going to ask you to select a file. So here's the file I want. I'm going to click add, attach, and I'm going to submit my assignment. And once I've done that, you're done. And you'll have confirmation right here. I hope that helps.